Hi, I'm Tracy. I'm with TierraCast's, and I'm up here visiting with Artbeads, and I'd like to show you how to seed bead around one of our small wire hoop components to create this earring or pendant piece. To create this piece, we'll need one small wire hoop. These wire hoops open and close, but we're going to keep it closed for this project. You'll need some 3mm faceted spacers, some size 6 seed beads, and some DiamonDuo or GemDuo beads. You'll also need a needle and your favorite beading wire. I like to use Fireline for this project, and this is the 4-pound. I've got my needle threaded with an arm's length of Fireline, and I'm going to tie the end of it to the wire hoop using a surgeon's knot. I do want to leave about a 4-inch tail so that I can weave that in later. Then I'm going to slide that up near the hook part of the component. To begin, I'm going to pick up one of the 3mm faceted spacers and attach it to the loop by just bringing my needle behind the loop, behind the component, and through the loop, and then back through the bead. Then I'm going to follow the faceted spacer with one of the DiamonDuo beads. And again, thread the bead on, pass my needle behind the hoop, and through the hoop, and then back through the bead. Second faceted spacer, and another DiamonDuo. And I want to make sure I watch my thread tension. I want to keep those nice and tight and keep them snugged up next to each other. And then I'm going to repeat the spacer and DiamonDuo pattern 12 more times. So here I've got all my spacers and DiamonDuo beads attached. I'm going to go around the hoop and back through that last spacer again. And then I'm going to start adding the size 6 seed beads. And to do that, just pick up a bead, and then pass the needle through the upper hole of the DiamonDuo, pick up a second bead. And repeat that all the way around the component. After the last seed bead, I'm going to pass my needle down through the faceted bead again. Pass my needle through the hoop. And back out through the faceted bead. And then I'm going to go all the way around the loop again just to firm up the stitching. Once I've exited that last seed bead, I'm going to go down through the faceted spacer through the hoop and back up again. And out through the spacer. And then I'll come through that last seed bead one more time and tie a knot. And maybe go through another couple of beads and tie another knot. Through a couple of beads, and then I can trim off that cord. I'll repeat that with the tail at the other end of the beads. Tie a knot, run that through, tie a knot, and then weave it through a couple of beads and trim the extra. That's how you create that seed beaded hoop pendant. Makes a great earring and also would make a wonderful pendant, and it has a lot of potential. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project.